Hi, I'm Dodie from J&D Heirloom Seeds. We hope you all have had a great, successful, and enjoyable 2014 year. To kick off the 2015 year and celebrate a very successful 2014 growing season, J&D Heirloom Seeds will be giving away one free packet of red okra for every order of $15 or more. For every order of $30 or more, J&D Heirloom Seeds will be giving away a free packet of red okra with an additional packet of red romaine lettuce. So we would also like to remind you that it is almost time to start thinking about what you would like to plant in your 2015 spring garden. Things like lettuce, cabbage, collards, kale, and broccoli. We are looking forward to another growing season. For more information, you can check us out on our website, our YouTube channel, and our Facebook page, all on the links below. Thanks.